to my channel. First off, before getting into anything, I want to apologize for the sporadicness and the wonkiness and inconsistency of my uploads lately. With Christmas and New Year's, things just kind of got a little crazy around here, but things are getting back to normal. So with that being said, this is today's look. I wanted to do something that was colorful. I wanted to sit and play with color. I'm not gonna lie, I really tried to break out of using like the deep red and warm brown tones, and I wanted to sit down and just play with color. And I did kind of pair it with a bolder-ish lip. I know it's not really a word, but you know what I mean. I wanted to pair it with a lip that you typically wouldn't pair with statement eyes, if you will, but I wanted to sit down and have fun. So if you guys want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. So I'm going to start out in the crease of my eye, taking the shade from the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and this is the shade Purée. Now this is going to be my transition shade, so it is going to get covered up, but I wanted something to help the other shadows blend out smooth. And I wanted to intensify the orange tone in that shade, so I'm going in with this CoastalScents Single Shadow in Bright Tangerine to really make that orange pop. Again, having that Too Faced shade underneath it is going to allow all the other shades to blend out smooth. Then I'm going to go in with this BH Cosmetics Warm Matte number 20, which is a pink shade, and I really want this one to be the main shade in this look. So I'm blending that in the crease of my eye and also on the outer corner. And again, I want to build this color intensity up to the real depth that I want the pink to be, because I still do want the orange there, but I really want the pink to be the focus, if that makes sense. So to really help pack on that color, I'm using a smaller brush, using that same shade to put that on the outer corner of my eye, and I'm going to blend another shade over top of it, sort of, but this is just going to really help that stand out. So for my main kind of lid shade, I'm taking this Mary Kay Mineral Eye Color in the shade Moonstone, which is really like pretty frosty yellow kind of color. Well, it's a yellowish white. It's more white than it is yellow, but there is a yellow hint to it. But I'm just going to pop that on the inner corner of my eye and kind of blend out towards the BH Cosmetics shade and really take time making sure that there's a smooth transition between those two shades. Then I'm going to take some eyeliner, and this is Ulta Kohl Eye Pencil in the shade Smoky, which is this really pretty charcoaly gray color, and kind of sloppily applying that to my lash line because I'm going to smudge this out and make it smoky. So I'm taking a flatter brush and using the tips of the brush to just kind of smudge that out and give it a nice smoky, hazy effect. Then I'm going to curl my lashes and give them a good squeeze and apply 2 thick coats of Benefit's Roller Lash Mascara to top and bottom lashes. Now I'm taking those 2 shades I used in my crease because I wanted a little something on the bottom lash line. I wasn't liking the plain look, so I went in with these and just used a small brush to blend them. That's pretty much it. So for my cheeks, I'm using this Doucee Cosmetics blush in Retro Mauve and applying that to my cheeks. And then for my lips, I needed to do a combination of things. So I'm starting out with City Colors Lip Crayon in the shade Kiss the Bride and applying that to my lips. I didn't have the shade I really wanted, so I'm going to go in with this shade Summer Yum from the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette and apply that over top of it using my finger to blend it in, and then I'm going to go back in with the City Color Crayon just to make sure that everything's nice and smooth, and that's how I made my custom lip color. And that's the look. So here you guys go. This is the final look. Here's a close-up of the eyes. I hope you guys have really enjoyed this. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Also, don't forget there is a full list of products I use in the description box below this video. And if you would like to, please click that subscribe button and become a member of my family and get notified every single time I upload a video, which happens to be every Tuesday. I do love you guys very, very much. I hope to see you soon. And don't forget, make good choices.